Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you maths and the topic name is CHOOSE, choose, THE, CORRECT, correct, OPTION, option, choose the correct option. So, dear students, in this topic, some questions given and each and every question there are two options and you will have to choose the correct option. So, the first is WHAT, what, COMES, comes, BEFORE, before, 2020, what comes before 20? Now, option A is 19, 19, option B is 21, 21. Now, what comes before 20? So, I would like to show you the counting from 11 to 20. You can see here 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 20, 20. Now, you can see here is the 20. Now, 20 before which number? You can see 19. 20 before 19. So, which is the correct option? You can see here option A, 19. So, we will take option A, 19. Now, the next is COUNT, count, AND, and, CHOOSE, choose, THE, the, CORRECT, correct, OPTION, option. Count and choose the correct option. So, in this question, first you will have to count the options and then you will have to choose that is the correct or not. See, option A, what is given? 1, 2, 2 balls plus 1, 2, 2 balls, 2 balls plus 2 balls. What should be the answer here? See, the 4. You can see 2 balls plus 2 balls. Altogether how many balls? 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, option B, you can see here 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2 apples. 3 apples plus 2 apples. So, what is given the answer? 6. But now we will count and we will choose the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether 5. But the answer is given 6. This is wrong. This is the wrong option. And the 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is correct option. So, option A is the correct. We will take option A. Now, the next is WHAT, what, COMES, comes, AFTER, after, 4, 5, 45. What comes after 45? You can see option A is 4, 4, 44. Option B is 4, 6, 46. Now you will see, dear children, here the counting is given 41 to 50. Now we will see 4, 1, 41, 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44. Now 4, 5, 45. You can see where is the 45? 45 is here. So, after 45 which number is this? 4, 6, 46. Understood? What comes after 45? 46. Because in the counting after 45 is 46 here. So, we will take option B, 46. Now the next is, see here, 3, 6 are equal to, what should be here? Dear children, I have taught you table. Yes. So you can see option A is 1, 8, 18. Option B is 8, 1, 81. So 3, 6 are, what should be? See, I would like to show you the table. You can see here. In this table you can see this is the sign of the multiplication and this is the sign of the equal to. Understood? So first, so we will, here you can see 3, 6 are, what should be? 3 we will multiply to the 0, we will get the 0. Understood? Any number you will multiply with the 0, what you will get? 0. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. What have you found? We have found here 3 6 are 18. So what should be answer here? 3 6 are 18. Understood? So the option will be A is the correct. 1 8 18. We will take option A. Now the next is WHICH, which ANIMAL animal, IS is FAT fat. Which animal is? Now which animal is fat? You can see option A is DOG, dog. Option B is HIPPO, hippo. Now you can see in this picture, my dear, this is the picture of dog and this is the picture of hippo. So you will have to compare between the dog and the hippo. So which animal is fat? You can see hippo is fat. So we will tick hippo, option B. Now next is now see here, COUNT, count, AND, and CHOOSE, choose, THE, the, CORRECT, correct, NUMB, a number, and AME, name. Count and choose the correct number name. See, option A is SIS 6, option B SEVN 7. Now count and choose the correct number name. See, we will start to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what should be the answer, my dear? The correct option is option B. We will take option B, 7. How many flowers? 7 flowers. Now the next is COUNT, count, AND, and ADD, add, count and add. See, we will count and we will add. What is this here? 6 plus 9 equal to, see, this is the sign of addition, plus is the sign of addition, and this is the sign of equal to. So 6 plus 9, what should be here? See here, option A given 2 3 23, option B given 1 5 15. Now the pictures are given. Count everyone. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here the 6 balloons plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 gifts. Understood? 6 balloons and 9 gifts. We will add together and then you will have to choose the correct answer. What should be here? So We will add together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What should be the answer? Answer will be 15. 6 balloons plus 9 gifts equal to 15. So 6 plus 9, what should be dear? 15. Understood? Now the option B is the correct option. We will take 1, 5, 15. Now the next is PUT, put TH with the SIGN sign. Put the sign, you can see 32 and 89. So you will have to compare between the 32 and 89. So you can see here option A, this is the sign of the greater than, and this is the option B, this is the sign of the less than. Understood dear? See, this is the sign of the, see dear children, this is the sign of the greater than and this is the sign of the less than. So now you will compare between the 32 and 89. So 32 is the less than 89. Understood? So what should be the correct option? The option should be B is the correct option. So we will take option B and we will put the sign. This is the sign of the less than, and we will take option B. So dear children, like this you will complete at home. Choose the correct option. Thank you.